where every something, being blent together, turns to a wild of nothing. What? Man, defy the devil. Consider, he's an enemy to mankind. God hath given you one face, and you make yourselves another. The valiant never taste of death but once. The attempt and not the deed confounds us. As he was valiant, I honor him, but as he was ambitious, I slew him. Mind your speech a little, lest you should mar your fortunes. Children wish fathers looked but with their eyes, fathers that children with their judgment looked, and either may be wrong. He does it with better grace, but I do it more natural. He is winding the watch of his wit, by and by it will strike. I give unto my wife my second best bed with the furniture. Virtue itself scapes not calumnious strokes. I may neither choose who I would, nor refuse who I dislike. So is the will of a living daughter curbed by the will of a dead father. Praise us as we are tasted. Allow us as we prove. Truly, I would not hang a dog by my will, much more a man who hath any honesty in him. For my part, it was Greek to me. An overflow of good converts to bad. I never see thy face, but I think upon hellfire. Teach not thy lips such scorn, for it was made for kissing, lady, not for such contempt. Ambition should be made of sterner stuff. I shall the effect of this good lesson keeps his watchman to my heart. Exceeds man's might that dwells with the gods above. There's place and means for every man alive. Love is too young to know what conscience is. Oh, let me not be mad, not mad, sweet heaven, keep me in temper. I would not be mad. Oh, had I but followed the arts. Well, if fortune be a woman, she's a good wench for this gear. There was never yet fair woman, but she made mouths in a glass. The fashion of the world is to avoid cost, and you encounter it. Lord, Lord, how subject we old men are to this vice of lying. There's not a note of mine that's worth the noting.